Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be installing a door sill guard, which is essentially paint protection film. And we're going to be installing that on the rear brake light. What we're going to do is we're going to try to find the right amount to cut, which is right around here. And we're going to use the left piece of that. And the reason why we're going to install this is because I had a few comments that sometimes the rear brake light can pop out while you're riding. So this is a precautionary step. And essentially this thing is much stronger than tape. So I'm actually going to be using a scalpel to cut this, but you can use a blade as well. And obviously don't do this if you don't feel safe doing it. So this is for instructional purposes only. But this is basically going to give me the width that I need. And voila, I have the piece that I need. Now the rest is actually pretty easy. Okay, so be sure to clean the area, make sure it's nice and clean. After that, grab a spray bottle of some sort and fill it up with water and a little bit of baby soap or hand soap if you don't have that, just very little. And what you want to do is you want to wet your fingers, because anytime you're working with paint protection film, if you don't, you're going to get fingerprints stuck on the paint protection film, and you don't want that. And the next thing to do is obviously wet the area. So wet the fender and grab the paint protection film and peel it. And you can wet it at this point. I already had a lot of water on the fender, so I didn't, but I'm going to be wetting it throughout the entire process. So now you want to align it so it could be like a nice even aligned finish and stuff. And feel free to take it out if you make mistakes, but just keep it wet throughout the entire process. It makes things a lot easier. Next thing you want to do is grab a rubber squeegee and kind of apply some force. Nothing crazy, but you do want to take the water out. And so just kind of work downwards now and go slowly. Just keep doing it, follow the process. Just kind of like push the water out as you're kind of pushing it in. Just keep pushing the water out. And kind of wet the outside as well, because it makes it much easier to squeegee when the outside is wet. It goes much smoother. So continuously do this process, going down and then going up. And next thing you know, you're going to have a nice fit and finish, and this thing will last much longer than tape. It'll look much nicer, and when you need to take it out, it's going to be a clean takeout. And there it is. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.